Doing some more rough Timmy mock-ups. I think this is about the extension I'm going to need to get the chain line right. I don't know if you can see it well from here, but this bar is going to be in the way of the bottom run of chain to the bottom of the sprocket. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put another cross member down here somewhere out of the way and then cut that bar out. That'll allow me to run the chain directly through here and over the top, and everything should be fine. Shouldn't need a chain tension or any of that crap. Now I'm still unsure what I'm going to do exactly for chain tensioning. I'd like to make this engine cradle a bolt-on deal where I can slide it forward and back, but I think if I set it up with the chain as short as this, if I just set it up and slide the engine to the correct chain tension when I weld it, by the time it wears, I can just replace the chain. I don't know. I'm still undecided on that. But you can kind of get a rough idea of what it's going to look like. Ignore this crap at the back. That's just there to give me an idea of the width and everything. I'm going to add pieces here to stretch it. I flipped these bars, cut them off the back and repurposed them at the front since they've got new bushings in them. They used to go to some kind of weird linkage for this crap. I don't know what the hell they were doing there, but they're almost new, where the other ones, the bushings that were on there, are just completely wasted and wallowed out. So I figure I'll just use the ones that are on there. Of course, I've got to put cross members back in it, tie the two sides together, get everything lined up and measured, make sure it's square and straight. You know, everything's sitting kind of cattywampus right now. The engine's leaned to one side and blah, blah, blah. This is just the eyeballing it stage. When I actually start tacking metal together, I'll be measuring everything, make sure it's square. I think it's going to look pretty good. You know, these always look a little bit odd when you stretch them, but I don't think this is going to be too terrible. And considering the noises that are going to be coming out of it, I don't think anybody's going to complain too much. And that's where I'm at. It's super hot, so I'm doing only a little bit at a time. I still got to mow the lawn today. There we are with Timmy the Titan. Stay tuned.